Before installing CEDUR shakes, all roof flashing, ice and water barrier, and underlayment must be properly installed. During roof installation, take the necessary safety precautions to ensure optimal worker safety. This includes protective equipment, tote boards, tie-off, and abiding by local building codes. Please verify compliance with local building codes, applicable regulations, and best industry practices. CEDUR roofing products must be installed on a solid roof deck with a minimum slope of 4 and 12. Anything under 4 and 12 is considered decorative. Please consult CEDUR for proper installation recommendations. Install CEDUR shakes on solid decking consisting of either code-complying 15/32 of an inch thick American Plywood Association rated plywood, APA rated wood panels, or other building materials that meet these minimum requirements in accordance with DOC PS1. CEDUR shakes should be stored at temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and should not be installed when temperatures are below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. When storing CEDUR pallets, do not stack them more than 2 pallets high. For additional product information, please visit CEDUR.com.